he wants to restart. That's what's just going on. Oh, he's really gonna go for it. Yo, he's like prepped. Oh man. Okay.
Getting all of it on recording, yeah?
Okay. Oh yeah. Oh no, he wanted to do this for the show. Okay. Trying to do some manjis here.
I know.
Oh man. Yo, this energy, I've never seen this energy before. Oh my. Okay, yo.
Really?
Yo. I mean, from him, from Spicy, like I haven't seen him like this hyped, like, you know, at least for a non-drift run, for a grip run. Okay, this will be interesting. We're about to really see.
I guess since I've known him for a while, I've seen this.
Okay, you've seen it a lot. Okay, damn.
It's not just plain rice. Okay?
It's not
just
plain rice.
Spicy rice.
Absolutely, yeah.
There's a little kick to it.
A whole lot of seasoning. Oh, okay. He wants to get the good entry too. He's not gonna. Oh my god. Okay.
Is it recording the sound inside the cab too?
Yeah.
Shit.
Straightaway, and there's nothing that his type of car can do against it.
Oh yeah. You're not driving this for fucking. This is like just for you to feel good. Go a little fast, you know?
Oh yeah.
It's not a good car. Plus, what year is this car?
Oh, 2018, I think.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, it's different.
My son's gonna get to drive some fucking crazy ass cars then.
Oh yeah.
Give grandpa do this shit. Yeah, we love what you do. ABS and all that on?
ABS, but not
traction control?
it is, yeah.
Doesn't that slow you down a little too? Because this car has a little power.
Yeah. It's weird for this one. You know, I've tried it with off and with it on, and it's not intrusive like the other Toyotas.
Cool. Toyota's starting to think, oh, the dads are going to start driving these cars too.
And they'd be right about that. Okay, let's talk to him. He slowed down somewhere in the middle.
End. Oh, no, it's not the end.
Wind.
Ooh, you hear that?
No. Yo, what's good?
Scrody.
Yeah, something's wrong. I'm low on power.
Ah, shit, I saw, yeah.